3 years into the fight against COVID-19, China declared a major and decisive victory in its response to the pandemic. In a recent interview with Xinhua, a Britain-based expert regarded it as a miracle.
I'm German, but I've been married to an Englishman and I lived in England for 40 years. But I have worked in China before since 1999, and I worked in traditional medicine and medicinal plants with my husband, who had a company. China has managed to keep its record of COVID deaths probably lower than anyone else, certainly the lowest of any country. Well, there is no other country of its size and population. Basically, it's a miracle how they kept it. China, in a way, managed incredibly to prevent by imposing these restrictions. I think the restrictions they imposed from the very beginning, it was the only way to avoid millions more dying, yes. If China had adopted a more relaxed way, let's define what was relaxed. I think that the American government, and to a degree the British government, actually didn't really mind if the old people died. I don't think the Chinese ever thought like that. And I think China actually did try to save as many people as they could. But for a country with the size of the population of China, I think it was the only way to avoid a catastrophe.